This is a global launch in the Kuala Lumpur International Airport. As the Star Alliance Gold member, we are able to access this global launch. It's located in the mezzanine level of the Terminal 1 satellite, where most of the international flight is located. .30 in the morning. This is why it's a little bit quiet here, and but the setup is very nice. This is all the food, and we have live pasta chef and also the asam laksa live station as well.
So this is the pasta station where you Hello. White sauce, okay. And what mayonnaise. And where to the condiment? These two. Okay. White sauce, honey, and then condiment, yeah. And then condiment. Okay.
So what are you making, sir? What are you making? Special pasta.
Special white pasta. You wanna choose the condiments, sir, or the same condiments?
Same thing. Just
Okay.
these two, right?
Alright.
Yep.
Yes, I could.
Absolutely, yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.